In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make money with this hot AI real estate affiliate program from Homesage. And if you don't know what affiliate.watch is, it's my platform where you can come and find the best affiliate programs for free. And you can also create an affiliate marketing profile so companies can find you. And if you haven't heard of Homesage.ai, they are a new AI-powered real estate platform that is helping real estate professionals, investors, homeowners uncover the best property opportunities and insights using advanced data and automation. Their AI-powered investment property search allows you to find properties so easily. Before you had to do all this manual research. Now, thanks to their AI curated list, you can find the best investments and best properties really quickly. They also have AI property reporting for any US property, and it will offer you investment scores, renovation estimates, rental ROI, and detailed market data. And they also have real estate APIs, so you can integrate it directly into your application. And they also offer custom AI solutions. And this product is perfect for investors, realtors and lenders, contractors, as well as developers. And they have an amazing affiliate program that pays 25 to 40% reoccurring commission for 12 months. The cookie length is 60 days, and the commission structure is tiered. So if you have 0 to 4 customers, you'll earn 25% reoccurring commission. Once you get 5 to 14 customers, you'll earn 30% reoccurring commission. And once you get 15 customers or more, you'll earn 40% reoccurring commission. And that's for an entire year. And you can calculate your earning potential right here with this affiliate calculator. So if you get 10 referrals and they sign up for the medium plan, you'll make $1,500 a month and $18,000 in a year. If you get 30 sales, for example, you'll earn $6,000 a month and $72,000 a year, which is absolutely amazing. And the affiliate program pays out via PayPal and wire transfer. And signing up to the affiliate program is super easy. All you need to do is click the link down below and click this button that says become an affiliate. And then you can fill out this partner application form, which literally takes only 1 minute. And then once you're in the affiliate dashboard, it will look like this, and you can go ahead and copy your link and you can start sharing it. And one easy way to promote this affiliate program would be to do YouTube videos like this. For example, must have AI tool for real estate agents in 2025, and videos like this, 7 best AI tools for real estate agents in 2025. And you can put your affiliate link for Homesage. I think this affiliate program pays very well. If you want to find more awesome affiliate programs, go to affiliate.watch. If you have any questions, leave them down below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good